dreams in flight, and we'll fly.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be giving you guys a Sugar and Kush makeup inspired look. I've always spoken on how fun I feel like their packaging is and how eye-catching and aesthetically pleasing it is. Let's just get right into it. I am taking 1 milliliter of my Sugar and Kush Cotton Candy CBD oil. This is just going to help calm my nerves and help me focus. This is the first time I've ever taken my CBD oil before filming, and honestly, this is the quickest I've ever completed my brows. I felt like this oil just helped me focus and I completed them in one swoop. To give my skin a subtle glow underneath my foundation, I'm using my Venics Diamond Glow Melted Highlighter in the shade Wedding Ring. I will link their website down in the description box below if you want to check them out. All of their products are organic and you can save 10% off your order with code Eyecandycandice. Now let me tell you, these pressed glitters are my new jam. I just ordered their blue one today and I love these because you do not need glitter. You literally just pick up the glitter on your finger, you press it onto the eye and it sticks. It's done. It's not sticky. It's perfect. Alright, so now the makeup is done, I'm going in with my edge control and my edge toothbrush to do my edges. So this is the finished look, completely inspired by the Sugar and Kush packaging. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!